is Masfan Bashir. I'm originally from Ethiopia. I work for African Community Development Center of Oregon in Southwest Washington. And SACO has been a great organization for Ethiopians and Eritreans. For the last 9 months, Ethiopians and Eritreans are coming to this agency through our organization, and SACO has been supportive in rental assistance and gift cards and for food, for many other things. And also Mr. Muse Olol has been working with us to create an African Community Development Center to bring all African organizations or community-based minority organizations in Oregon. So we appreciate SACO on behalf of the Ethiopians and the Eritreans, which he has done a great job, and also Mrs. Amina. Still, they are supporting not only people from Portland, also they are supporting people from Hillsborough and Milwaukee and Southwest Washington area of our community. We appreciate them so much. Hopefully, our unity serves us better. So what we're trying to accomplish with Multnomah County is to bring all Africans together, and Africans should be led by Africans. Those are the great things we have. Hopefully, Mr. Muse will do a great job, a good leader in our community. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Muse Olol. I'm the president of Somali American Council of Oregon. We're here today to do another vaccine event. This is a vaccine number 6 event. On average, we've been doing it around anywhere 50 to 100 plus on every opportunity. Today, we actually have incentives. Both Multnomah County REACH program is also getting involved and bringing gift cards for the families. So they are just contributing $100 gift card for the first timers. Also, another partnership we have also going to contribute $25 gift card, and also SACO is also contributing another $25 gift card. Also, we also having a backpack event that we also families that have kids are also being given to that as well. It's been very successful today, but nevertheless, we still have a lot to go. The school is opening up. I'd like to encourage the community to come out here and get vaccinated. You can do this as frequent as possible. But you just want to make sure that the community is protected and get vaccinated. Thank you very much.
Thank you for listening. Please make sure to share, like, and subscribe to Runta News channel on YouTube, Facebook, and Twitter.